let's say, you're a seller from US, for example, and you've done the registration in Germany. So you're selling on Amazon. What do you do next? After you have the VAT number, you come here in our dashboard. You just log in by your email, password, just regular stuff. You come here, you put your seller ID, authorization token, save, and that's it. We are connected with the Amazon API, so we're gonna get the data that is needed transactions for the VAT. If you have like a manual upload or any other channel, you can use the manual order upload. And soon we're building Shopify, eBay, Cdiscount, Kaufland, and like a bundle of 10 other integrations. So eventually we have more, but since 95% of the clients are Amazon, we have that since day one.
So first people have to register VAT, as you mentioned.
Exactly.
With you, can you provide this?
Yeah, we do that. It's just part of the process.
Okay.
They can do it online, but always do a consultation. We
Yes.
consult you. We
That's a good
recommend
idea.
who is a good solution for you. Then we go ahead and do the VAT registration for one or more markets. And after the VAT is done, which, like I said, it might take a month up to 4 months, depending on the country. You come here, you connect to Amazon, and then this is actually how the dashboard looks like. This is just some dummy data because this is the demo dashboard, but this is ideally, how it looks like your gross turnover, net turnover, total VAT. You can filter by Amazon FBA, on web shop. You can filter by country, by period. Here is a sample of the type of transactions that we're getting: sale, expense, refund given, refund received, assets movement. Like I said, this is required in some markets.
Assets movement mean we have like
goods, when you're
goods
moving
in
goods, exactly.
Germany, moving to Poland, for example.
Exactly, because
we'll track it.
Exactly, because in some markets they're required to report that. So this is that needs to be here. You can filter by channels, like if you're using something besides Amazon, whatever you're using, you can filter by country, by from which to which country you're moving goods as well. And then the process is the following: we get the data, we're connected, we get the transactions, and we file the reports monthly for the VAT and quarterly for the one-stop shop. And the next thing that the seller needs to do is come here to the returns page. Let's say you have one or more markets, doesn't matter. You come here, you download your VAT return, you pay that to the tax authority, and you mark as read or paid, and that's it.
How do you pay? Can you pay through the application?
Not yet, because we're not allowed to do the payment on their behalf, but I have some fintech partners. So next year we're planning to have one or more of them inside the dashboard, so we can simply click here, for example, pay with Pioneer or
we like it. The easiest solution.
Exactly. That was my idea from day one. But since marketplaces are the biggest, it's the most important part. We're just doing the integrations. Eventually, we have the fintech guys here, so we can make it even more easier.
So with the power of Hellotax, we can understand how much we need to pay and how will we pay it.
Exactly. The VAT return is how much you need to pay. So there is you just need to go and do the payment. That's it.
But where do we pay the VAT? I just never sold in Europe. I'm also interested. So
I mean, you get you have like the account number and everything in the VAT return. So it's like a bank statement. Okay, you pay this here, the amount, where, etc. And another thing which is very important is we have like a translation tool in the tax letter inbox, meaning that we get the communication from the different tax authorities in multiple languages, and we translate that in German and English. So whenever you get a message, you would know in German or English what is required. And of course, if for some reason you don't know German and English, we have people who speak like Bulgarian, Italian, Spanish, German. I might be missing some language, but we have account managers. So the solution is is a SaaS solution on the front end with the managed service on the back end. Because obviously, taxes are not fully automated. Some markets are more automated, some are not. So we need to have a solution for the front to monitor everything, to make it easy for you, and the backend to monitor, on the backend to have people to the manual stuff.